Guys, we're going on a little backcountry skiing adventure, so I'm stoked. I think this is gonna be insane. I honestly haven't done a whole lot of avalanche terrain. Most of the time I go backcountry skiing, I stick to low angle terrain, especially this year because the snow is just so variable. But the conditions are better in the spring. Well, not better skiing, but safer skiing. At least they tend to be, so it makes us a little more comfortable to try some new lines. It's almost time to ski! So much fun. I feel like we hit it at the perfect time. Any earlier would have been too crusty, and any later would have been too slushy. It felt like we were surfing. It was incredible. I'm so happy I got to go. I feel like I'm always a little bit nervous about my skills. Not like skiing wise, just like hiking up with my skis. I don't know what I'm saying, but I always get nervous before I go backcountry skiing, just especially if like I'm not just with Cooper. I can like get worried that I'm not good enough, but I know what I'm capable of and I trust myself, and it went really well. Well, honestly, it was so easy, but you're not alone if you get nervous about going skiing, because I get nervous almost every time I go backcountry skiing, unless we're doing something super, super chill, which we do often. On another note, Highlands closing day is this Sunday, best day of the year. And Aspen and Snowmass closing day is the following weekend, which means the ski resorts are about to be done. Doesn't mean the fun has to be over, because clearly like today we got to go backcountry skiing, but I'm trying to really get my days in before the end of the ski season. So we're actually gonna go skiing again right now, just in resort, so I can get my pass, get my day in. I'm gonna go meet Cooper on Aspen Mountain and maybe get some lunch at the top. It's a gorgeous day, so I'm super excited. 2 ski days. No, 2 skis in one day. Also, don't judge for the Diet Coke. I drink my electrolytes after skiing, but I needed some caffeine.
Ski date.
Ski date! We should go on a date.
Should.
Well, this one's good, but we should go on another one.
Okay. To Thailand for a month.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
We are getting ready to go to dinner now. Jared, our friend who we went skiing with this morning in the backcountry, invited us over for a marg night. And we're gonna bring some elk steaks that we have, and also my best friend Jackie's gonna be there, and it's gonna be so fun. I'm excited. We haven't been over to his place yet, so I'm excited to see it. I want to have a chill night. I know it's a marg night, but I'm thinking 1 marg for me. I actually got super dehydrated today. We spent some time laying in the sun after our second ski of the day, and I got a really bad Well, actually, it started when I was skiing. I had such a bad stomach ache. I felt so nauseous while I was skiing. I thought I was going to throw up. And I had a bad headache, too. And I've been trying to chug electrolytes. It probably from that Diet Coke I drank. And all the sun we had today, honestly. I'm feeling like maybe just one marg for me because of all that. Because I want to feel good tomorrow since the next day is Highlands closing day. Not gonna do makeup tonight because I just showered and it feels so nice having a clean face. But I will always be putting that oil in my hair. Guys, I oil my hair every day. Don't forget to do this. Your hair dries out the further it is from your scalp. So important. I haven't gotten my hair cut or colored and we're coming up on a year. And I really like don't have that many split ends. Might get it cut, freshen it up after our Thailand trip. I think I'll probably do when we get back.
Should we do a fit check?
Really?
Point it down a little bit though.
Okay. Oh. Fit check. No. Here, do it here.
No, I already did my bit.
That you didn't say what you're wearing.
Oh, I'm wearing pants and
No,
a shirt.
no, come over here. Fit check. Oh.
Go ahead, do what you
Oh,
do.
me first. Thrifted jeans, Athleta tank top, Free People puffer. We're going for cute comfy. I mean, this isn't that cute, but the pants are cute. Flare action at the bottom. I feel like it's not bad.
I'm wearing a shirt that I got at camp.
No, I got it.
That Grace got at camp because she lost my other one.
No?
And a pair of ripped-in jeans with Nike Dry Fit white socks. And an Outpost hat.
There we have it, folks. I changed hats. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. And I added another jacket because it's kind of chilly. Also, Cooper's trying to make it all the way to town without touching the handlebars of his bike. I don't know how he's doing that. I get scared. I can like let go for a couple seconds if I'm going straight. Well, I guess I've never tried anything else. I just am way too scared to try anything else. But I'm amazed at what he's doing right now. Oh my gosh. You're crazy for that.
I gotta change my gears.
My gosh. Nice. Make the same coffee every single day and it slaps every time. Never gets old. Going off the coffee thing, I find it kind of funny that I do almost the same thing every single day skiing, which I'm about to go do now, and it also never gets old. Like, every time I'm done, I'm like, oh my gosh, that was so fun. And then I wake up the next day and I just want to do it again. It's just so interesting to me because, I mean, I get it, why I feel that way. It's literally the best sport ever, but it's so funny that, like, these things I just feel like I would get sick of. But you just can't. They're just the best. But like in the summer, I switch up my activities almost every day. You know, I don't do the same thing every day. There just isn't something in the summer that I love as much as I love skiing in the winter. Also, it's literally gonna be like 70 degrees out. I could be lying. Well, it's currently 59 degrees. So we're wearing a t-shirt. It's an Outpost t-shirt. Hopefully, my arms get tan today. Let's go ski.
We're ready. Face to 6. tomorrow. Cooper is wearing an all denim outfit for Highlands closing day. And I think I'm gonna go with all camo, but I haven't figured it out yet. And Jackie and I kind of want to match. So I'm gonna go to this thrift store and see if I can find Jackie a camo vest or anything camo we can make into a vest. And also Cooper has his denim outfit, but he wants to make himself a denim hat. So I'm gonna go find him a pair of jeans that he can make. He can sew it up. And he's gonna put a bowl strap on it. It's gonna be sick. Got the goods. No camo for Jackie though. Sorry. So I ended up going to Lululemon to say hi to Jackie because she manages the store there, and also because we leave for Thailand in a week and a half, and I wanted to get Cooper some things for our trip. He got these shorts warranted, that's one, but he told me he doesn't have a swimsuit, not one. But I got this at a Ute Mountaineering, a little gear shop in town. How cute and fun are these? So perfect for Thailand. Then at the thrift store, I got this little shirt, Jamaican Jacks, like so vibey with the shorts. Oh my god, such a good outfit for Thailand. Also, I could not leave the store without these, even though I don't know who they're for. Maybe Cooper. Practically brand new Mad Happy sweatpants for $10. So they're like super long, but just like so thick and nice. I just like had to get them. I don't know who's gonna wear them. Then at Lulu, I got this lightweight, nice looking shirt. I feel like it would be so cute on the beach, but also for dinners. And then shorts to go with it that he's wearing right now. Matching shorts. Thanks for coming to my haul. Did not plan on going on a shopping spree today, but I've honestly never had this much success shopping in Aspen. I feel like every time I go, I end up with, can't find anything. But today we scored. One more thing, the reason I went to the thrift store in the first place was to get him a pair of jeans. Look what he did with them. So sick. Are you gonna come out with these, Cooper?
I don't know. I was gonna do an April Fool's thing, but it's kind of cool.
Yeah, it honestly is cool. I'll post. Should he make these for real? They could all be different colors from like jeans from the thrift store. One of these days. Eggs. Champagne. Cheers to Highlands closing day! It's Highlands closing day! Top of the morning.
Wow, you guys almost drank half.
I should have brought a cup.
I only ever drink half. Again? I can't. I'm not a shooter girl.
Cheers.
Woo! We're using our walkie-talkies. It's the only way that you would ever find someone smoke on a closing day. Cooper, what is your call sign?
Red Rocket, 6 o'clock.
Jared, what is your call sign?
Big Buck Hunter. We're out here, Highlands closing, 2K25, getting after it. Red Rocket at your 6 o'clock, starting from the top to the bottom.
Oh, that what you're bringing to dinner?
ELK.
ELK.
Still frozen.
Oh, it'll thaw, hopefully. Getting that close-up shot. Oh.
You know, it's only at 45%.